Let's see. Looks not bad. It's really sparkle. I think I'm gonna do the some crystal designs with dragon scale. So we're gonna start with the condensed glue gels. Again, the crystal trifecta will definitely gonna be the bestie if you are doing a lot of crystal designs. Okay. Tinted brush. The same brush that I just did a line right here. Remember that before we here. So now with this one, I like it a lot. I don't know if it's your end, but my end, it looks really cool. It's kind of a nude on the top of the nude colors, but it has the kind of more of designs on it. All right, spread that bristle to blend it all of your condensed glue gels. Floating the no wipe top coat on the top. Thanks so much, Glitz fam, for tuning in. If I missed your question, you can always ask it again until we're seeing it. Or if we miss it, we're definitely going to try to get back to you as soon as possible. Sometimes I was like, didn't get trying to look up on the screen fast enough. I'm going to use this bag that I have. This is cool though. Alright. I'm gonna use this one. Maybe I should try to get a gold. I'm picking it center pieces. And if you see the dragon scales, you see like one's end is kind of a dance like halo.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other one is more of texture on the top. So what you do, you are going to pick the one shinies and then like it looks like a, how do you explain it?
It's a mountain side and a valley side.
It is, oh.
When you go to the mountain, yep, that is the correct side of the dragon scale. If you want to go something a little more, you flip it over, go to the valley side.
Do however you like.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't have to be this the way I'm showing you. It's one of the way. I love the dragon scales. I'm gonna use some green though. This mixed bag is super cute. Add this one on. Ooh, that looks good though. Should I?
Do it.
Hi. Hey, I love the mixed bag. It give me a lot of ideas for doing a cute design. So don't afraid of like, I said, oh, should I do it? That's cool. And I can put dragon scale in there.
Right, and just a quick reminder to everyone, anything you see Nancy used, you can get them from our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. Currently, she's using product from our March subscription box, our anniversary box, which you can get $120 value for only $29.99. Cancel anytime.
Sup with the confidence. I'm so glad to talking to you guys. I feel like I'm out today, even though I'm not. I don't think I'm tired. I'm just really into this box. I think my brain is like, I can camp for this. Really in. Okay, I think I found this one. I feel like I'm not talking much today.
That's fine. Hey, if you want good design, sometimes you gotta focus, no?
Yeah.
That's almost like something out of South America.
No, it feel like
It's like you have to all the gold, all the green.
I don't know. It's really, I don't know how to explain this design though.
Hey, it's pretty. It's old.
It's just weird though. It's just somehow it just I don't know. You feel like Egypt's design or whatever. How are they saying
No.
that? No?
Quite more South American.
It is?
Yeah.
Bohemian?
No. No, South American.
What's funny? What do you say?
Aztecs, like everything else. Like something
Well,
like
you say no right
like
away.
ancient Mexico. Like that is not Bohemian by any standard.
It is. Okay, whatever. As long as you're enjoying it. If like I
Right?
like
Hey,
it, it's
so
different.
Call it what you want. As long as you like the design, that's all that matter. If
Okay.
your customer like it, that's it.
I'm putting them between, and then a lot of questions were asked, how do I come up with some design? I do not. Well, sometimes I do. I was showing the basic way to doing it. Of course, you always need your bestie is crystal trifecta. Thanks to it, because it will give me a lot of possibility. I can able to design a lot of crystal without have to worry about, oh my god, it's sad, I have to do it fast. No, it can take pretty much the time, and I can do designs. If you just need to adjusting it, you do it now. It's not going to set until you clear. So is anyone having an idea as what it look like, this one though?
You know?
Why don't you, or is anyone curious and interested? If you do, if you name it with really good cool names and give an idea, I ship this one to you as a gift. That'd be cool.
Yeah. You know, that could also be some alien.
Oh, no, it's like, don't tell me the spaceship.
Right? You never know, there's a spaceship out there.
You want to name this one? Anyone want to name this one? No want it? Okay. Or maybe it's a Star Wars ideas. You know, like, I don't know. How do I know?
Why not some really cool drawing of an ancient Jedi?
I don't know who's care about this one. Just, you know. And I don't know, just some a cute one. But first of all, the background is already cool. If you see closer the background, you gotta see it in person.